Hi everyone, welcome to Flamboyant Flavors. I am Reena and in this video I am making roasted spicy chickpeas. It is crispy, crunchy and spicy snack that you can make it easily at home at any given day. So quickly subscribe to my channel for new videos I post every week and do hit that like button if you enjoy this recipe video. I know the easy way is to use canned chickpeas, but a little effort goes a long way. Using dry chickpeas tastes so much better to me. So I am using 1 cup of dry chickpeas. Soak them in 2 cups of water for at least 5 to 7 hours. I soaked these chickpeas for about 6 hours and I am going to cook them using my Instant Pot. Thoroughly wash and rinse soaked chickpeas and transfer them in the Instant Pot. Add 2 cups of fresh water. Also add half teaspoon of salt and just about a pinch of baking soda. Let's just give it a stir. Put the lid on and make sure to seal the air vent and set the Instant Pot on manual mode for 4 minutes. After the Instant Pot goes off, turn off the keep warm mode. Immediately release the inbuilt pressure and open the lid. Let's check if they are done. Chickpeas should be cooked as if they are canned chickpeas. So it's very important that you put only a pinch of baking soda. Mine looks done. If you find that chickpeas are undone, cook them for about a minute. Now let's drain the water from these chickpeas. Hey, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out any new videos I post every week. And don't forget to hit that like button. Preheat the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Take an oven-safe tray and place the cooked chickpeas on the tray. Coat the chickpeas with 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix them so all the chickpeas are nicely coated with oil. Sprinkle half teaspoon of salt or you can adjust it as per your taste. Sprinkle half teaspoon of cayenne pepper or paprika. Again, the spice level you can adjust it as per your taste. Sprinkle half teaspoon of cumin powder and just 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix the chickpeas really well so they get coated with all the spices added to them. Spread them around in a single layer. Now this is gonna go in the oven which is preheated at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Use the middle rack in the oven to roast the chickpeas for 1 hour. Every few minutes, just give the tray a shake or use a spatula and mix them all so the chickpeas get roasted evenly. After 1 hour, take out the chickpeas out of the oven and let it cool down before serving. These chickpeas are packed with protein, very nutritious, and trust me, it's an addictive snack. I really enjoy them while working from home and when binge watching shows. Very healthy snack you can easily make with very less ingredients and enjoy with friends and family. I hope you liked this roasted spicy chickpeas recipe video and do leave me a comment on what you think about it. Follow Flamboyant Flavors on Instagram. The link is down below in the description box and don't forget to tag me. Please subscribe to my channel and do hit that like button down below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.